Did you know that one of the most brilliant bank heists in history happened without anyone firing a single shot or even stepping foot inside the vault? In 1971, a group of amateur thieves in London pulled off what experts call the perfect crime. They rented a leather goods shop 2 blocks away from Lloyd's Bank and spent months digging a tunnel straight to the vault. Using walkie-talkies and careful planning, they broke in over a weekend when the bank was closed. But here's where it gets crazy. A radio operator accidentally picked up their conversations and called police. The cops showed up, looked around, saw nothing suspicious, and left. The thieves kept working and stole over £3 million worth of cash and jewelry. The twist? The government slapped a media blackout on the story because the stolen safety deposit boxes contained embarrassing secrets about politicians and royalty. Most of the gang was never caught, and rumors say British intelligence helped cover it up to protect national secrets.